Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Wolt and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We'll search about Wolt delivery here up, and then we'll uninstall your app and we'll install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.